It's the quality. Y'all know I only promote quality, babe. Period. Roll the freaking foot cam. How freaking cute are these? And look at the bottom of these, y'all. Talk about the extra effort. Nothing feels cheap about them. These have such a great weight to them. What's up, YouTube, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandra, and as you read by the title, I'm coming to y'all with another replica shoe video. These are some more Alexander McQueens. Y'all been feeling the Alexander McQueens, so we about to get into it. These are from a company called coolkick.com, so shout out to y'all for sending me over these shoes to review. These, like I said, are some Alexander McQueen sneakers. Y'all finna see what they look like. I think they super cute, so we about to just get straight into the video, y'all. As always, I'm gonna give my disclaimer. If you're not into replicas, click out the video. Period. All the details on this company and these shoes will be linked down in the description box down below, so make sure y'all check that out. And yeah, let's just get straight into it. We ain't gonna waste too much time. So the shoes did come in a FedEx box, and we got to get straight into it, y'all. I will have all the information on these shoes on the screen as well as in the description box down below, so make sure y'all check them out. So we got, oh snap, we got this cardboard box. And it's cut out. Y'all can see the box already. I still have a lot of replica videos coming, y'all, especially shoes, really. If they want to come out. All right, you guys, so here is what the box looks like. And then here is the back of the box. Front of the box. Let's get into it, y'all. When you open your box, it looks something like this, y'all. So we got a little Alexander McQueen card here, and then it has the little logo up here in the corner. I don't know if y'all can see that. And then just another little paper in here with, I believe, some information. We got some extra shoelaces here. We got a dust bag that says Alexander McQueen on it. You can do whatever you want with this, store your shoes in it, all that good stuff. And then you got your Alexander McQueen tissue paper in the box. Oh my gosh, these are so freaking cute. Oh my gosh, yes. Y'all don't know my favorite color is pink. So y'all, look at these. They come individually wrapped. I love when companies do that because it's just nice. Just put extra care into it, y'all. How freaking cute are these? I thought they were so freaking different and pretty. And then they have like this pink back, and it says Alexander McQueen, of course. I'm in love with these. I did get these in a size 40. I got these also around the time that I really didn't know my size like that, so hopefully these fit. They look like they will. Oh, I didn't realize it was skeletons on these. Okay, I mean, they still cute, but I don't really do skeletons like that, but they still really cute. Get into it. I really like these. Look at the front. The shoelaces look really good, actually, and they feel really good. The construction of this shoe is really good. They super duper sturdy. And look at the bottom of these, y'all. Talk about the extra effort. They got the price. It says these are $3,800, and it's like a little barcode and everything. I've never seen this so far. Make sure y'all check out my other Alexander McQueen shoe unboxings because I do have other ones on my channel. But the bottom looks amazing. It says Alexander McQueen in the center. It looks so good. And then here is the tongue as well. It just says Alexander McQueen. So then on the inside of the shoe, you do get the little styrofoam just to keep the so the shoe can keep its shape. And it does say Alexander McQueen on the inside, y'all, and it also says made in Italy on the inside. But this is what the inside of the shoe looks like. I hope y'all can see that, y'all. These are freaking adorable. And then same thing with the other shoe, was wrapped up individually. It's the quality. Y'all know I only promote quality, babe. Period. And these replica companies don't be coming to play. I be saying it in all my videos, and Just know I'm here to put y'all on to all the affordable designer, affordable replicas, Jordans, all of that stuff. I got a lot coming for y'all. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and thumbs this video up if you liking what you see so far. But here's the other shoe, y'all. I'm just in love with the pink. That is why I had picked these out, because I seen like the pink in them. And again, I got them in a size 40. But yeah, y'all, this is what the shoe looks like. It looks super good. Like the construction of the shoe, it looks really, really good. Even the wording and everything, y'all. Even have that suede texture down pack. This shoe just looks super good. Look at that tongue. And even the inside of the tongue has like some like numbers. I don't know if y'all can see that, but they're like numbers up there. These look so good. I'm like super excited for these, y'all. Again, they're super sturdy. Like they're actually heavy, y'all. I kid y'all not. These feel real, I'm telling y'all. Just the construction of them and everything, like they have a really, really nice weight to them. They sturdy. Nothing feels cheap about them. They just look super good. Definitely go check coolkick.com. These I definitely 10 out of 10 recommend, y'all. Like I definitely 10 out of 10 recommend these. They look so good. They feel good. Super sturdy. They got a nice weight to them. These companies get it down pack, y'all. I'm telling y'all, why spend freaking thousands when you can spend a fraction of the cost? Get really good quality, if not like the actual deal. Because y'all, a lot of these companies, I'm convinced that they be using the same materials and everything that the original companies use. So yes, I definitely 10 out of 10 recommend these. Y'all know how I like to do my replica videos. I like to show y'all the shoes. Man, these have such a great weight to them. Replica wear, like for real, replica wear. Like when I tell y'all the weight of these is crazy. I'm done rambling about the weight of the shoes. The shoes smell great. The shoes freaking smell great. I love when I get replica shoes sent to me and they smell authentic. You know what I mean? Like they have that new shoe smell instead of that chemical factory smell. And overall, this company just really did their thing with these, y'all. Like these are freaking beautiful. I cannot wait to try them on. Look at that, y'all. Y'all already know how I like to do my replica videos. I like to show y'all the shoes, give y'all the details, and try them on. Give y'all a little outfit option or whatever. So let's cue the clip of me trying these bad boys on. Roll the freaking foot cam, period. So this is my outfit that I decided to do with these shoes. So I have this little olive green sweater because there is a little pop of olive green. I mean, you could barely see, but there is a little bit of some. So then I have these jeans that I got from Discovery a while back. I have this little hot pink bag. Then of course for the start of the show I have the sneakers. Super cute. They so cute. I'm in freaking love. Like literally in love. Thank you so much Cool Kick for sending me these Alexander McQueens to review. I hope y'all did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to check them out. All links will be down below and all the information should have been throughout the video. But yes, y'all, this is a little outfit. 10 out of 10 to recommend them. Go shop. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Ever ask what you love, pick up the phone, pick up the phone. All I ever ask was you show me some love,